How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, head towards the option of general, open it. Over here you will find different options. Go to the option of AirPlay and handoff, open it. Now at the top you can see the option of automatically AirPlay to TVS. Open that. Now here you have to select the option of aux or automatic. Here I'm gonna set it to automatic. If you set it to aux, whenever you will try to connect to nearby AirPlay, firstly you will need to allow it. Likewise, if you set it to automatic, then whenever you try to connect to nearby AirPlay, it will automatically be connected. After you set it, you can go back, close the settings and just swipe down on your screen. And here you can see this two rectangle kind of icons. Tap on it. You will land to this kind of screen. Now from here, if there is anything that you can connect to, that will pop up over here. And all you have to do is tap on that option and it will automatically mirror your iPhone screen. This is how you can easily turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. This was it. I hope you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.